Hello friends and hi to my jelly. I'll be showing you a step-by-step method on how to achieve this knowledge short braid using yarn. I started off by applying shea butter to my hair as a moisturizer. I went in for my comb for detangling and then I divided my hair into two, ensuring that the front section is less and the back is more. Now we will be focusing on the front section. I made an arc like shape. I don't know whatever that was. Yeah, I wanted to add a bit of style to it. So rather than making a straight line, I made it into an arc form. I went in for my gel and applied it. Then I used the tip of the comb to clear the part to have a clean pattern. Now I'll go in for my yarn braid. With a yarn braid, because it's not lace, I'll go in with one, then two, then I increase the number as I go. So you can increase the number as you go depending on the volume of braid that you want.
So close, no wasting time. Feel, just pause your freaking mind and hear that calling, taking over you. Wanna feel it, your vibration, hear your screaming liberation, but keep it low, keep it low, keep it low. You know you.
After applying your gel, you use the tip of your finger to mold the gel inside to avoid any whitish left over the gel might give. So I divided the hair into three. Look very closely. So as I move the center part downwards, I move the left side to the right, then the right side to the left. I braid for like 2 rows, then I went in for the yarn extension.
So close, no wasting time. Feel.
When you are introducing your yarn extension to your hair, ensure that you place it in the middle of your thumb and your fingers. Press it in, then move the top hair downwards, then go in with a yarn braid. So it's in, around, just like that. Then you are good to go, okay?
So close, no wasting time. Feel,
I went in to pat and arc at the downward part of the hair to do some small tiny cornrow in between to give it a bit of a style. So after having two rows downward, I'll make a three-part rows upward too. So with the left side, I'll get five braids, two down, three up, like that.
So close, no wasting time. Feel, just pause your freaking mind and hear that calling, taking over you. Wanna feel it, your vibration, hear your screaming liberation, but keep it low, keep it low, keep it low. You know you gotta keep it low, keep it low, keep it low. Don't you let that know we can let it go. Feelings go by flow, come and let it show. But keep it low, keep it low, keep it low. You know you gotta keep it low, keep it low, keep it low. Keep it low, keep it low. At times it feels like you're not gonna make it. Open your heart and love what you create. In a new life, new dawn, all your fears are gone. It's time you know I wanna feel it, your vibration, hear your screaming liberation. But keep it low, keep it low, keep it low. You know you gotta keep it low, keep it low, keep it low. Don't you let that know we can let it go. Feelings go by flow, come let it show. But keep it low, keep it low.
The cornrow that we introduced, the question might be how are we going to braid it with knotlet? So rather than adding yarn extension to it, I actually use the same cornrow, the tip of the cornrow to braid the knotlets. Then afterward, I introduce another yarn as I braid downwards.